We're going to make kachumbari, also known as salsa. It's popular for nyama choma, pilau, and other foods. So most people like putting tomatoes and onions only in their kachumbari, but I'm going to combine everything. Because I say, asal is pretty much everything you decide it to be. I'm going to have carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, green pepper, onions, and lemon, and some salt. There's a thin line between good kachumbari and just average kachumbari, and the trick is in the onions. We put warm water and some salt. It is good to get rid of the bitter taste of onions and also the smell of onions if you don't like it. So you put it aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to mix all this. Our tomatoes, green pepper. You can add cabbage, anything else you want to put. So let us wait for our onions to be ready. Our onions are ready. They are less turgid than they were initially. We're going to put them through. We'll add some salt, small amount. We'll put lemon, or you can put vinegar in the place of lemon. You don't want to have the seeds there. Then we mix. The more the colors, the more attractive it looks. We have about 4 or 5 different colors in here. We had cabbage, that would be an additional color. This is ready. Put in the fridge for about 10 minutes and it's ready to serve.